Hi everyone, welcome to Basic to Finance. Today I'm going to show you how to download Exodus application on your PC. So keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To quickly download Exodus wallet application for your PC, first open up a web browser and go to the search bar at the top and type in www.exodus.com and press enter. You'll end up in the official webpage of Exodus that looks like this. Click the download link at the top right hand corner and choose whether you'd like to download the wallet for your desktop or your mobile device. Simply click on this download Exodus link right beneath the desktop option and choose your device from the options. In my case, it's my Windows, so let me click on Download Windows app over here. You can select any other option according to your device, and the download progress will begin right away at the top right hand corner, as you can see it right here. Wait until the file gets downloaded. Once the application gets downloaded, you'll be able to see this open file link right beneath it. Click it on in order to begin the installation process on your computer. Soon after you do that, wait for a couple of seconds and the application installation process will begin automatically. The shortcut has also been created for your Exodus wallet app. Click on OK in the pop-up and launch Open Your Exodus wallet to start up with it. That is how you can easily download Exodus wallet application for your PC. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.